Worry about when is the best age to travel? Are you too young to do it? Stay with me and I will show you why now is the best time to travel and how can you get started. Hello people, welcome to my channel. I'm Alejandra, and for financial coaching and travel tips, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notifications every Tuesday when I upload a new video. We worry pretty often when is the best age to travel. Is it when I get a good job, when I get a house, when I get a car, when I get this and that? But if you're watching this video, it's because probably your mind and your heart wants to go on a trip. So why just don't do it now? I will show you today 5 reasons that I believe are the most important to go on a trip or to start traveling in your 20s, and how can you get started. So let's get into it. Number 1, for those countries that got working holiday visa, most of them expire when you are 30. It means that you need to apply before you are 30, which is in your 20s. So if you are a resident from one of those countries who can travel to other countries with working holiday and work while you travel, why not to do it? Number 2, the probability that you win a scholarship in your 20s is higher, because countries that give you scholarships want for you to build up a new professional life on their countries. So they want brand new minds that they can build and create in their country, and they will give you a scholarship. So the probability that you win a scholarship when you are out of college or out of high school is higher, and then is your opportunity to travel. Number 3, your body can adapt easily to everything. It's not a lie that when you get old, you don't want to sleep on the airport, or you don't want to sleep on an uncomfortable couch or whatever. But when you're 20 and when you really want to travel, you don't care about it. So if you want to spend a little bit less on plane tickets or in accommodation, you just go for a budget accommodation and stay in a hostel, or maybe couch surfing. Why not? And if you want to pay a little bit less on plane tickets, you pick the tickets that got long stopovers, and you sleep on the airport, or you pass the night in a city that you never knew before. So you just figure it out, because your body is not telling you that you are tired to do it. Number 4 is that you pretty much didn't develop any professional image yet. So you are brand new out of high school, out of college, or you are just there starting your professional life. So why not try starting another country? Why not go and travel and see the world first? Comment below what is stopping you to start that travel journey. What is the reason that you have not packed your stuff and go for it? And number 5, you learn new languages. I'm from Colombia. My first language is Spanish, and I had to learn English and Dutch and other languages because I passed my life traveling. So it's not that I really wanted to learn or not, it's that I have to learn. I live in New Zealand. I have to speak English. My partner is Dutch. I need to understand and try to talk Dutch. And I got family and friends all around the world, so I need to communicate with them. And when you learn a new language, your mind goes to another level. You just don't learn the language, you learn how that people think, because the structure is different. How they think the stuff is different than how you think. And it's not just about speaking the language, it's about understanding another kind of minds, and that really helps you. And it's really good that you have it now in your 20s, because then you can put it into yourself, into who you are, and then be a better professional. And number 6, and I know I say 5, but number 6 is everything is a new experience. Either it's good or bad, it's a new experience that you can just put on the book of your life, put it on the page. If it was a bad experience, pass that page and it's over. But it's experience and you won't repeat it. We got different situations or shocking situations while traveling that you may not pass when you just stay in your home country because it's your comfort zone. When you go out of your comfort zone, you need to face yourself. And when you face yourself, which is the person that you really need to give reasons, opinions, and judge yourself, when you face that person in front of the mirror, is the best moment in your life, because you recognize yourself and you know who you are, and then you put the limitations that you don't want anyone past, and then the growth start. For me, this was a really eye-opening, because when I get to recognize myself, I won't let anybody else to tell me what I like or what I don't like. I will tell what I like, what I want to do, what I don't want to do, and I know exactly the moments where I need to say yes and where I need to say no. And that's really important. And I can tell you, I just learned that from traveling. Now, how can you get started?